Hello children, I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will sing, dance and listen to stories. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और कहानियां सुनेंगे. Please stand up and come a little closer to the TV. Please खड़े हो जाएं और टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now we will sing and dance to a song. Let's go.
A B C D E F G, put your hands up in the air. A B C D E F G, put your hands up in the air. Can you show me how to put your hands up in the air? Wow! H-I-J-K-L-M-N, sway to the left, sway to the right. H-I-J-K-L-M-N, sway to the left, sway to the right. Can you show me how to sway? Great! O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V, jump to the left, jump to the right. O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V, jump to the left, jump to the right. Now can you show me how to jump? That's great! W, X, Y and Z, give yourself a pat on the back. W, X, Y and Z, give yourself a pat on the back.
I hope you all had fun singing and dancing with me. Now I want you all to meet my friends. This is Asma and this is Pradnya. We are going to play a small game. हम एक छोटा सा गेम खेलने वाले हैं. Come on, let's go. What is your name?
My name is Pradnya. What is your name?
My name is Asma. What is your name?
My name is Atira. This is how I found out the names of my friends. Can you do the same? I hope you all had fun doing the activity with us. Now we will learn some new words. अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखेंगे. What? 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 What is your name? Tell. 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 I am going to tell you a story. Please. 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 Please listen to me carefully. fun, fun, fun. We are going to have a lot of fun together. Name, name, name. My name is Atira. Now let's revise these words. What? Tell. Please. Fun. Name. I hope you were able to learn all these words. We learned 5 new words today. आज हमने 5 नए शब्द सीखे हैं. Do you remember what they are? Let's revise them again. Please, tell, name, fun, what? I hope you remember these words. Now, please open page number 12 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, point your fingers on the words as I read them. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो प्लीज अपनी उंगली को इस तरह टेक्स्ट बुक पर मेरे साथ रखें. एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव अ टेक्स्ट बुक, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी विल लर्न हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस आवरसेल्व्स. बच्चों, आज हम अपना परिचय इंग्लिश में देना सीखेंगे. The name of our chapter is My Name. My name यानी मेरा नाम. Good morning. Good morning. In the first picture, we see how the boy and the girl are greeting each other. They are saying good morning. Good morning यानी सुप्रभात. We use good morning when we meet someone in the morning. जब हम किसी से सुबह सुबह मिलते हैं तब हम उन्हें good morning कहते हैं. What's your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? I am Riya. मैं रिया हूँ. What's your name? और तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? My name is Raj. मेरा नाम राज है. In this picture, we see how to ask someone their name. यहाँ हम सीखते हैं कि कैसे किसी को अपना नाम पूछते हैं. When we want to ask someone their name, we ask, "What's your name?" What's your name? यानी तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? And when we want to answer to this question, we say, "My name is Raj." जब हमें इस सवाल का जवाब देना होता है तब हम कहते हैं My name is और अपना नाम. Tell me your name, please. मुझे अपना नाम बता दो प्लीज. I am Ali. मैं अली हूँ. सोनल. और मैं सोनल हूँ. So children, when we want to ask someone their name, we say, "What's your name?" जब हम किसी को उनका नाम पूछते हैं तब हम कहते हैं What's your name. And when someone asks us our name, we say, my name is and our name. और जब कोई हमसे अपना नाम पूछे तो हम कहते हैं my name is और अपना नाम. For example, I will say my name is Atira. अगर मुझसे कोई मेरा नाम पूछे तो मैं कहूंगी my name is Atira. In the first conversation, we saw how two friends are asking each other their names. अभी हमने देखा कैसे दो दोस्त एक दूसरे को अपना नाम पूछ रहे थे. Whenever someone asks us our name, जब कभी कोई हमारा नाम पूछे हमसे, we say, my name is Atira. Everything around us has a name. हमारे इर्द गिर्द सारी चीजों को एक नाम होता है. People, places, animals and things, they all have a name. इंसानों को, जानवरों को, चीजों को और जगहों को सबको एक नाम दिया जाता है. Do you know the name of your city or village? The name of my city is Mumbai. Now we will do an activity. On your screen, you will see some pictures. You have to guess their names. आपकी स्क्रीन पर आपको कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाई देंगी. आपको उनके नाम ढूंढने हैं. All the best. Can you guess who he is? Yes, he is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is a very famous cricketer. Can you guess what this is? Yes, this is a rose. A rose is a very beautiful flower. Can you guess who this is? This is a tiger. Tiger is a very dangerous animal. Can you guess what this is? This is an idli. Idli is a very tasty food. Can you guess what this is? This is a cat. A cat is a pet animal. Can you guess what this is? This is a chalk. We use chalk to write on the blackboard. Can you guess what this is? This is a bag. We carry bag to our schools. Can you guess what this is? This is a parrot. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Today, we learned how all of us have a name. आज हमने सीखा कि कैसे हम सभी को एक नाम होता है. Just like us, all of these things here have a name. हमारी ही तरह इन सारी चीजों को भी नाम होता है. Now, I will show you an object. You have to look at it carefully and guess its name. अब मैं आपको एक एक चीज उठाकर दिखाऊंगी. आपको उन्हें ध्यान से देखकर उनका नाम गेस करना है. Are you all ready? Let's go.
Our first object is, do you all know what this is? क्या आप जानते हैं ये क्या है? I will give you a clue. We write with chalk on this. हम इस पर chalk से लिखते हैं. Now can you guess what this is? क्या अब आप guess कर सकते हैं ये क्या है? This is a slate. ये एक slate है. Now our second object. Can you all guess what this is? क्या आप guess कर सकते हैं ये क्या है? I will give you a clue. All of us write with this. हम सभी इसे लिखने के लिए यूज करते हैं. Now can you guess what this is? This is a pencil. ये एक pencil है. And all of us use this to write. और हम सब इसका इस्तेमाल लिखने के लिए करते हैं. Now let's move to our third object. Can you all guess what this is? Let me give you a clue. When our pencil's nib breaks, we use this to make it right. जब हमारे पेंसिल की नोक टूट जाती है तब हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Yes, this is a sharpener. ये एक sharpener है. And we use this to sharpen our pencils. Now the next object. Can you all guess what this is? I think we all know what this is, right? Let me give you a clue. When we write with our pencil and we make a mistake, we use this. जब हम पेंसिल से लिखते लिखते कोई गलती करते हैं तब हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. This is an eraser. ये एक eraser है. And we use this to erase when we make a mistake. और हम इसका इस्तेमाल तब करते हैं जब हम पेंसिल से लिखते वक्त कोई गलती करते हैं. Now let's move on to our next object. Can you all guess what this is? Time for a clue. We use our pencil to write in this. हमने अभी जो पेंसिल देखी हम उसका इस्तेमाल इसके अंदर लिखने के लिए करते हैं. Can you guess what this is now? This is a notebook. ये एक notebook है. Now time for the next object. I am sure you all know this. Do you know what this is? क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये क्या है? I don't think we need any clues for this. मुझे नहीं लगता कि इसके लिए हमें किसी clue की जरूरत है. This is our My English textbook. This is a textbook. ये एक textbook है. We study all of the things from our textbook. हम अपनी textbook से बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं, right? Oops, I missed one object. Can you guess what this is? Our teachers used to write with this. हमारे teachers इससे लिखते हैं. Now can you guess what this is?
This is a pen. ये एक पेन है. I hope you all had fun guessing these names with me. Do you all miss Ballu? I miss my best friend Ballu very much. क्या आप सभी को बल्लू की याद आती है? मुझे अपने सबसे खास दोस्त बल्लू की याद बहुत ज्यादा आती है. He was supposed to come today. वो आज यहाँ हमारे साथ आने वाला था. I can't find him. Let's look for him. चलो अब हम उसे ढूंढते हैं. Where is he? क्या आपको कहीं दिख रहा है? Can you see him anywhere? Hi! Ballu, I missed you very much. I am sure all of us missed you very much. Did you miss us too? Great. Ballu, are you here to dance with us? Are you all ready to dance with us? Let's go!
A B C D E F G. Put your hands up in the air. A B C D E F G. Put your hands up in the air. Can you show me how to put your hands up in the air? Wow! H-I-J-K-L-M-N. Sway to the left, sway to the right. H-I-J-K-L-M-N. Sway to the left, sway to the right. Can you show me how to sway? Great! O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V. Jump to the left, jump to the right. O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V. Jump to the left, jump to the right. Now can you show me how to jump? That's great! W, X, Y, and Z. Give yourself a pat on the back. W, X, Y, and Z. Give yourself a pat on the back.
I hope you all had fun singing, dancing and learning with me. Now it's time to sit back and listen to this wonderful story. अब आराम से बैठकर ये मजेदार कहानी सुनिए. Do you all remember Ballu? Ballu is my best friend. We eat together, dance together and even study together. क्या आप सभी को बल्लू याद है? बल्लू मेरा सबसे खास दोस्त है. हम साथ में खाते हैं, नाचते हैं और यहाँ तक कि पढ़ाई भी साथ में करते हैं. मैं बल्लू से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. Do you also have a best friend? Don't we love them all? Similarly, Ria in this story loves her best friend. The name of our story is My Best Friend. It is written by Anupa Lal. Ria has a best friend. She even lives in her house. Ria की एक बहुत खास दोस्त है. वो उसी के साथ रहती है. When Ria is happy, so is her best friend. जब Ria खुश होती है, तभी उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी बहुत खुश हो जाती है. When she cries, her best friend also cries. जब रिया रोती है, तो उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी रो देती है. But Ria cannot hear her voice because she lives inside a mirror. लेकिन रिया को उसकी आवाज सुनाई नहीं देती. वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो एक आईने के अंदर रहती है. Come out, let's play together, says Ria. But her friend does not come out. चलो 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 चलो, हम खेलते हैं, बाहर आ जाओ। रिया उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बाहर बाहर कहती है, लेकिन वो बाहर नहीं आती। Riya keeps asking her friend to come out and play with her, but her best friend does not listen to her. Now Riya is very sad. So she finally goes to sleep. अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बार बार बाहर आकर खेलने को कहती है रिया, लेकिन वो नहीं सुनती। ये देखकर रिया बहुत ही ज्यादा उदास हो जाती है और सोने चली जाती है। As soon as she goes to sleep, Riya meets her best friend. She is very happy. They have a lot of fun together. जैसे ही रिया सोने चली जाती है, वो अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से मिलती है। दोनों मिलकर खूब खेलते हैं और वो बहुत खुश हो जाती है। They play, they run, they jump and they scream together. वो खेलते हैं, कूदते हैं और जोर जोर से शोर मचाते हैं। Here, in her dreamland, Riya and her best friend have long conversations together. रिया की सपनों की दुनिया में रिया और उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड खूब गप्पे लड़ाते हैं। But as soon as Riya wakes up in the morning, her best friend goes back into the mirror. पर जैसे ही रिया सुबह उठ जाती है, रिया की बेस्ट फ्रेंड दोबारा आईने के अंदर चली जाती है। But Riya does not mind. That's because Riya knows that as soon as it's night and she goes back to sleep, she will be able to meet her best friend again. लेकिन रिया को इस बात से फर्क नहीं पड़ता। वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो जानती है कि वो जैसे ही फिर से सोने चली जाएगी, वो अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से दोबारा मिलेगी। I hope you all liked today's story. Today we learned how to say our names. My name is Adira. What is your name? Now, I want you all to go and say your name to your family and friends. And at the same time, ask them what their name is. I will see you in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.